Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Tai. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this heart garland. This project can be used as decorations for Valentine's Day or other holidays for your loved ones. Let's start. We're going to make 3 different sizes heart: small, medium, and large. The hook size is 4 mm. Let's start from small size. Make a magic ring. Chain 3. 3 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 1 triple crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 3 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 3. Then slip stitch to finish the project. Cut the yarn. Close the ring. Weave in ends. That is how we make small size heart. For medium size, we make a small size first. At the end of the round 1, we only do 1 slip stitch. Round 2, chain 3. Put a single crochet and a half double crochet in 1 stitch. Then 3 half double crochet in 1 stitch. 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet in 1 stitch. Four single crochet. One single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, another 4 single crochet, one single crochet, 1/2 double crochet in 1 stitch, 3 half double crochet in 1 stitch, one half double crochet, 1 single crochet in 1 stitch, chain 3, 2 slip stitch, cut the yarn, close the ring. That is how we make medium-sized heart. This video is sponsored by LADYLIKE, so I would like to introduce this lovely product to you. So it's a great gift for anniversaries, birthdays, Valentine's Days, Christmas, or wedding celebrations. This is a very lovely band. The quality is very good and it's very comfortable to wear it. Please click the link in the description below to place order. Okay, let's get back to our tutorial. To make a big size one, we repeat medium size round 1 to round 2. At the end of round 2, we only do 1 slip stitch. Round 3, chain 3, one single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, repeat another 4 times. Total 5 single crochet increase. Six single crochet. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, another 6 single crochet, five single crochet increase, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 2 slip stitch to finish the project. Cut the yarn, close the ring. Weave in ends. That is how we make large size heart. To make a heart garland, you can make as many hearts as you want, and you can make different colors. We will link those hearts together. Make a slip knot. Chain 12. Slip stitch. Chain 30. Get the small size heart. At the top of the heart, 1 single crochet, chain 2, another single crochet, chain 7, get the medium size heart. At the top of the heart, 1 single crochet, chain 3, another single crochet, chain 7, get the large size heart, 1 single crochet, chain 5, another single crochet, so in between you chain 7. When you link the small size heart, you chain 2 between 2 single crochet. For the medium size heart, you chain 3 in between 2 single crochet. For large size heart, you chain 5 between 2 single crochet. So in this way, you link all hearts together. After we link all hearts together, we chain 30. Then we chain 12. Make slip stitch to finish the project. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications for upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching.